Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Gonna talk about about magazine. I want to do shout out my brother who gave me the inspiration for this video. By the way, they can't tell, which oh you can't. I'm doing Jinzo. So you, two Dracos. Yep. If I can get Jinzo out, I win the game. Which I can't get Jinzo out, so I won. Anywho, so why should the Jinzo out using? Well, first off, TheJinzo is referring to being the one and only type Jinzo. It's the kind of the idea I had put it in TheJinzo, as in like the one and only Jinzo. But the one and only Jinzo would have been a little bit too long, and although I do like that reason, still, I think a TheJinzo would have been better. Kind of abbreviated, you know? Then, but why Jinzo? Well, he's actually the card. Why would I say the card is because the impact he had on Yu-Gi-Oh! And he just completely and utterly changed how we Yu-Gi-Oh! Back in the day, and how he still sees competitive play every once in a blue moon. As of 2016, he was a competitively viable card in Metaphones. Was it 2015 or 17 or something? Whatever, when Metaphones were meta. Metaphones, maybe like that. Anyway, when they were meta that, Jinzo saw playing the sideboard for trap heavy decks. I don't remember what trap heavy deck was around at the time, but there was one. Anywho, so yeah, that's just the reason why I chose the name Jinzo. Which is a short explanation about this long, but it's okay. I should play Monarch Stormforce so I could treat shit off. Come on, spell. Trying to think. I'm thinking send Jinzo and then you call my hunter to bring back Jinzo. And then set limited removal to double with the attack points. That'll work, right? Of course, he has a fucking Monarch Erupt. Of fucking course. Because my luck, you know? Screw that shit. I am not gonna sit here and try to play through a card that fucking negates all my monsters. Like, it's not surprising that I get a really bad matchup. Like, I always get bad matchups from Yu-Gi-Oh! It's the reason I freaking lose so much. It's horrible. It's just really poor luck. Let's try this again. Maybe I can get a good freaking matchup for once in my freaking life. Maybe for once, I can show you guys that I'm not a bad player and actually win a freaking game. It's become a running joke on my channel that I lose how much I lose. But of course, I'm gonna get shitty luck like always. I'm sorry, it's just frustrating, you know. Plus, I'm sleepy. I don't know what it is to be really doing a video, but I need to do a video today. I'm trying to make more content and whatnot, so make it more be a bit more consistent with it. Eek.
Are you serious? I was about to quit if I thought I didn't shoot you guys. But of course I get a bad matchup again. This deck doesn't rely on traps. Figures he's playing Exodia. Just all I did break rebat. Wait, I thought he's already played 3 of them. All cards are drawn, not searched. Luckily, he's not stuck with an Exodia piece in hand. Since I'm not worried about his back row. Oh shoot, I just messed up. His name isn't treated as Jinzo. But his is, so it's okay. Yeah. Can't believe it, I'm actually winning for once. What a crazy freaking top deck. One, two. Wait, it didn't let me use my Again Knight's effect. I have targets in my deck. The hell? So weird. Those are really bad. I shouldn't have missed timing. So. Tossing it back, allowing them to reuse it. Wait, why didn't he use the first part effect? The Sagas. Really? Hand instruction is called Foolish. And Tune World. Put back on those 3 cards. he just drew the same cards that he put back. That's hilarious. That sucks. I mean, okay. One he used when they appeased, 2 he has to attack, so I don't know what he was trying to do with that. Yeah, I finally won a game. How long is this video? So I think that's gonna be it for now. For you guys who are wanting to know if y'all have seen my channel, I have been doing some major work on my channel. I've created a new banner, but it's not wanting to upload right, so I have to fix that. But I do have a new banner for my channel. I do have social media. I have a Twitter. It's D/_Jinzo. I have Instagram, which is D/_Jinzo. The Jinzo is taken on both of those. I have a Facebook. You can follow me at Facebook at TheJinzo. And I have a Discord and a Patreon. All of that will be in the description below, so you guys can follow me if you don't want. I'll catch you guys later. Jinzo, signing out. Bye.